Okay, here we are in Vancouver, East Vancouver. We are going to be replacing a galvanized pipe. I guess I didn't step on that, should I? We're going to be replacing galvanized pipe right now using our Trenchless technology. So we have cleared the line with all the sediment and debris. Now we're going to pull the line out. You'll see the next video to come.
Hold on one sec.
Okay, here we are. It's late in the day. We've got our pull finished. We're just starting to clean up now. We still got to come back tomorrow and do our connections. But another beautiful day. We just pulled a galvanized water line out trenchlessly. So a galvanized pipe trenchlessly. We had to bore through it to remove all the calcium buildup and everything else related to it. And now we're done. Another trenchless pull, so tell your friends we can pull galvanized lines as long as they don't have 90-degree bends in them.